How's it going, guys? Electron Man, and I'm excited. Check it out, guys. We got a watch review to do today, and it's my first gold watch. That's right, folks. You heard it first here. My first 18 karat gold plated watch. Yeah, it's just plated, guys. I wish. But it is the first gold watch of any kind of gold at all in it. And this baby's completely sealed. As you can see, I'm breaking the outside box seal right now. I am excited. I'm anxious to see what this guy looks like. There we go. The seal has been broke. Now let's see how this slides out of here. You've seen it just like me, guys, for the first time. Come on. Boy, that thing's in there stout. I am excited. If it looks anything like the pictures I saw, we're all in for a treat. I like Invicta too. I've got 4 or 5 Invicta watches. They're definitely usually in my price range. Look at this. I'm gonna let you have first view of it. Wow. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Limited warranty. Blah, blah, blah. Let me turn it around here and get a good view of myself. Oh, I'm a liking. That is a big watch. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I keep saying wow. Oh my goodness. Boys, if you're going to wear this, you better be lifting your weights. Holy cow. That has got to be the heaviest watch. Well, it's all that gold in it, right? No. That has to be the heaviest watch I've ever purchased. Still got the tag on. Looks like it's got a nice big band on it. It's a thick watch, no doubt about it. Oh, we gotta get the scales out on this, guys. I'm guessing, I don't know, 450 grams? Maybe, something like that. Zeroed out here. Let's see here. I don't think my scale's going to be able to weigh it. Wow, I've never had, it says 200 grams is the capacity, so I have to look it up and find out what the weight is on it, guys. It's over 200 grams. I mean, this is stout. This is like a pound. Wow. Wow. What's the size on this? Let me go ahead and get the old zeroed out here. .48 millimeter. And even the inside is 38. Man, that's some serious watch there, guys. Let me go ahead and pull the tag off of here. So it's a 48 millimeter. It's got a, I think they said a fire glazed crystal. And it is obviously 18 karat gold plated. Let's see what we got here. Get the tag off of it. I'm gonna keep all this stuff too, you know. And this is a special edition watch, by the way. This is one of the Invicta Deep Diver, I think is what they call them. Chronographs. Let me see here. Let me go ahead and. How's this clasp work here? Okay, it's a flip over clasp. So far, workmanship looks nice on it. Really does. Plating looks nice. Gold plating looks good. As you can see, I'm peeling it back here. Trying to get all the little pieces of plastic off of it. It's got some on the back here too. Well, I like that's much better than some of them I've had. I like that just wrapped around there. Since you've got a little pull tab to catch it and pull it around. Come on. Okay, there we go. Now that we've got all the plastic covers on it, here's the back of it, guys. What does it say? Invicta Pro Diver Trinite. Oh, yeah, it's got a sticker on the back of it too. Well, I'm just pulling them stickers off like crazy. Ah, that feels good. Okay, we got all the protection on it. 200 meter. Some nice crowns on it. I mean, this is a beautiful watch. Are you getting a good view of this, guys? This is a beautiful watch. Boy, I'm going to know I'm wearing it, though. Wow. Let me go ahead and take my watch off here. And put this one on. I've got big wrists, too, guys, so let's see how she's going to do on a... Well, that's a... Man. That's the first watch I've had that's too big for me. I'm going to have to size this guy. I keep singing wow. Sorry. I am wowed by it, though. It feels like gold. I definitely am going to be proud to sport that. That is a beautiful watch. And, of course, you got your standard... when I started it. So that's how it starts there. And I see it counting. And then you hit stop. That's double time. And then I'm guessing you hold it to reset it. I'm going to have to read the instructions on exactly how you do all this. Yep. Hit that one and then hold that one and it resets. It goes back to 0. That's cool. Not that I use the chronograph a whole lot. It's got the date in it too with the enhanced window. Man. What do you think, guys? I have to do a little band adjustment. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna do a band adjustment real quick. First, let me see if I can just move the... It's so sure snapping, I'm almost not used to that. Man, this thing is solid. These are definitely solid links. Invicta outdid themselves on this. I'll provide a link to right now, guys. This the reason I purchased this kind of, I think, a Black Friday thing. This retails for like $250, and I got it for like it was under $80 with tax and everything. Definitely kind of an early Christmas gift for myself here. But let me go ahead and get the links adjusted so I can get a good example on my wrist how it looks, and then I'll come back here. Well, guys, I went ahead and removed another link, so I'm now taking 2 links out of it. I just, one thing, I like it for them to be balanced, so I went ahead and took another link out of there. That way I have, it worked out to where it's perfect that way, because I had it all the way in to tighten it, and it was just a little bit snug. Or a little bit still loose. This way I can adjust, the micro adjust, and have the band. And also I like taking even links out if I can. So I think that should get me just about perfect now. I went middle on everything. So with 2 links out. So let's see what that gets me. Perfect. Yeah, I like that better. Yeah, I went ahead and took 2 links out, 1 on each side, and then I put my micro adjuster in the middle, so that, you know, I get fat or skinny, I can use a micro adjuster to do that part. And yeah, that works good too. Look, it's got it Invictus and laser etched on the side of it. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's pretty cool. But I'm really liking this. It's a great. Hopefully you enjoyed this little review of the Invicta Diver Pro 18 karat gold plated chronograph. I think I'm going to start wearing this one for a while and see what kind of comments I get on it. I'm pretty impressed with it. Quality wise, I mean, it's a substantial watch. It also has a really cool click to the dial. It does have the diver dial so that you can turn it. Very, very nice and clean. It's one way. It's not like a lot of these diver watches that have to feel really cheap. That's got a nice solid click to it. But yeah, the dial actually turns too, if you wanted to know. Watch. It's got a screw on back. It says stainless steel, so I'm sure it's probably stainless, gold plated. I mean, you can't go wrong for that, guys, for under $80. This is one somebody will go, that's a nice watch you got on there, type watch. Anyway, guys, have a great day. This is Electron Man. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And click that little bell, too, so that you know when I have new upcoming videos coming out.